a new toy put on my car, and it is a GT carbon fiber spoiler. Now, it doesn't look like it should belong on this car, but I think it looks cool, and I don't really care what anybody else thinks. So I like it, and that's all that should matter. If you want to do shit to your car that you don't think other people will like, screw them. If you like it, go for it. I got this car as a toy, and I plan on to treat it like that. So let's take a look. So yeah, all right, as you can tell, it's carbon fiber throughout this whole thing. Even on the sides right here, it's carbon fiber. And you got these brackets right here that hold it in. You got screws right there. You got a screw right there, screw right there, and then two up there. Same thing on this side. Now, this is a universal fit, so it does not come with any instructions on how to install it. So you gotta measure it out yourself. And what I measured on this 2017 Camaro LT was, so when I measured from here, this line of the trunk to the inside of this part right here, it is 12 3/16. From this line to the inside of this, 12 3/16. And it's the same thing on this side. For this, I don't remember exactly how I measured it, but I mean, it's probably gonna be self-explanatory if you do it yourself. Yeah, so if you put this on your Camaro, make sure that you can pop the trunk, because this son of a bitch is really heavy. So to do that, you just kind of rotate this until it looks good, or until you can pop the trunk. And if you can't right away, just go inside and flip this thing. It'll pop right open. Make sure you have somebody else to help you though. I don't know if you'll be able to push it open yourself. Make sure you do this one as well. So they're gonna have to drill into your trunk. You're screwed on that. You have to do it. And they're gonna have to drill into the bottom and make custom holes. It's gonna happen. It's gonna void your warranty. So yeah, there's those two right there. And that is coming from these pieces right here. Now, there's others in there, and that is coming from the front ones. Make sure when you or whoever is doing this that they put on everything correctly and it looks good. And if you don't like it, you need to have them fix it. Because this is a serious process when you're drilling into your trunk. It's permanent now. Unless you can find a way to fill in the holes, make it the same color and everything. Got this from carid.com. About $600, and you have $100 for shipping. I'm not sure if the shipping was included in the $600 or not. I don't remember. But yeah, pretty nice. I like it. And then I do not have, let me go to this side. I do not have screws on these spots right here, because if I can adjust it now. So if I wanted it to be up higher, if I wanted it to be more level, I could do that. If I wanted it to point down, I could do that. I don't know why I would do that, but it's a thing. But yeah, you have these three holes right here, and then that one right there where you put a screw, and then obviously a washer on the other side to hold it there in place. So that's one angle with the screw in, if you would screw them in. Here's the other angle. It's a little more level. And then here's the angle that I go for. It's basically pretty much flat, and then just kind of straight across. And that would be this top one right there. But yeah, there's this mark right here. but I'm gonna just take these 3 bolts and then bring this one over to that side and then bring that one over to this side. So then this way, this piece right here, this little scratch or whatever, will be facing in. So you won't really see it. It might pop out like right here at the bottom on that side under here, but it won't be a big deal. It won't be that noticeable. If you're gonna get carbon fiber like this, I'm gonna say probably get a clear coat put on it or just get it wrapped. Do not get it painted because something like this probably shouldn't get painted. That's just my opinion. That's what I think. I like it. I think it makes me look cool. And there's plenty more that I plan to do on with this car. I plan to make a video of coloring these calipers right here. I'm gonna color those red once it gets warmer out. Right now it's like 50 out, but it's still January. I plan to get this all this chrome and stuff. That panel right there, the handle, all that. This stuff, everything basically chrome in the inside. I want to get it like colored red or wrapped red, but I don't know how to uninstall any of this stuff, and it's gonna be a big process. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna put all the details for this spoiler in the description, so you guys can go check it out and maybe even get yourself one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.